Hi everyone, my name is Simon Mishevich, and in this video I really want to update you about confirmation statement changes if you own a UK limited company. These are confirmation statements that tells Companies House who the shareholders are, who the directors are, and how much shares that they have as well. Now, within the confirmation statement changes, they were pretty easy to do, and you could just file it pretty cheaply, I have to say. However, there's been some changes, and these changes are coming about from the 4th of March 2024, which is already gone. So if you're not aware of them, please be aware of them. I've highlighted the important section so we can go through this. It says here, companies must file confirmation statements even if there have been no changes during the review period. Has that really changed? No, because you've always had to do confirmation statements anyway, so there's not much change there. Registered email address. This is definitely new. Under the Act, companies need to provide registered email addresses. Companies House will use this email address to communicate with the company. It will not be available to the public. Now, there are 2 points on that. If you did confirmation statements, you probably would have gone onto your Companies House portal to do that yourself, or you would have used an accountant. And they would have given you some sort of confirmation for the confirmation statement. May need to rephrase that. But they would have sent you some sort of communication anyway. But now they're going to ask you for the email address so that they can send you that information through to you as well. It will not be available to the public until there's a data leak. Anyway, statement to confirm the company is lawful. You need to confirm this every year on the confirmation statement. You will not be able to file a confirmation statement without this statement. So basically saying, yes, I'm telling the truth, not a pack of lies. This applies to all confirmation statements that with a statement due date from the 5th of March 2024 onwards, which again, is already passed, so you should be doing this if you haven't done so already. One of the other big changes that I've noticed is the fees for Companies House have shot up for a lot of things. So expect a price increase when you do it yourself, or if you use an accountant, expect prices to go up from them as well. Confirmation statements, digital or software, is now £34. Now, I'm sure it's about £18 before, so now pretty much a lot higher. Confirmation statements by paper, £62. Wow, that is really high in terms of prices. So there you are, guys. If you're not sure what confirmation statements are and what you need to do with it, you can go to this URL, which I'm just sharing on the screen. And if you want to look at the fees as well, there is the URL for that. But you can Google this just in terms of Companies House price increases, and it will give you this URL. So hopefully it's useful, but feel free to drop down any questions that you might have in this message box below.